Okay, so today we're going to talk about for loops. So let's create a for loop. To do that, it's really easy. We just need to type for, then create a variable. I'm gonna call it I. And what we need to do right now is print the values from 1 up to 100. You can do that by just print 1, print 2, print 3, but that will take you 100 lines, and yeah, it's not something that you want to do. So we can say that for I in range, open and close parentheses, and inside those parentheses we're gonna write how many numbers we want to print. So let's type from 1 all the way up to 100. Okay, so if I now run the program, you can see that we get an error. But why? Because we haven't told this for loop to do something. So we need to create a colon here, so everything we're going to write is going to be inside this for loop. And let's first of all print those numbers, right? So we want to print the I. Press F5 and you can see we get all the numbers from 1 to 99. So to fix this, we have to write the numbers from 1 to 101. So you can see that now we get 100 numbers. I think that's really easy to understand. For I in range, that's the syntax. But what if we want to stop printing after some numbers? Okay, so we can say that if the I is equal to 50, for example, then now you're going to learn something new. We want to break, right? So what does this break does? It stops the for loop from running. So if I run the program, you can see that we get all the numbers from 1 to 50. And why we get all the numbers from 1 to 50 to 49 and not up to 50? Because we start from 1, so the computer prints 50 numbers, right? So we have this break here, but let's create something a little bit more complex. Let's create an input that the name is is input. Okay, type your name, and we can say that if the name is equal to Dennis, then we want to break the loop. So type your name, Dennis, and you can see that nothing happened. But if I run the program and I type something like that, it will print all the names. So you can play around with this. I think it's something really easy. For loops in a beginner level are really easy to understand. So that's it for me, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.